Alright, you guys, I'm back. So, I just cut some fence posts to make like a fence. See all the little pieces I cut? I just start sticking them on. Oops. That fence post is too high. Blue man. And there's no piece that's trash. This is all still good. Get this glue on your fingers like I did. That shit's hot, man. Alright. I don't know what I'm doing. I think I'm putting the rope. That's what it looks like. That's what it looks like I'm doing. I'm putting the rope. So, staple. Make it my staple. Sorry. Loud doing. Is it vacuum now? What? Is it vacuum? I don't know. That's one upstairs maybe? I don't know what the hell I'm doing. I just started shit. I know, kind of dumb, but dumb is good sometimes. So here's all I'll do. If that thing ain't staying up like that, I'll nail it in there. Bitch ain't coming off now. And just for good measure, I'll just put a little dab of some heat. Okay, cool. So the fence is up. Should I put a piece of log right here? I don't know. Why? Who knows? Looks cool, I guess. I don't know. How about a big piece? Here, let's cut it. Kind of a cool piece of wood, huh? hook that on the wall. I should slice the back of it off. Then you slice the back of it off so it stays flat against the whatever you're doing. Hot, hot, hot. I know. Oh shit, I should have did it the other way. I'll do it this way. There we go. See? No rules. Who needs rules? We don't need rules. Build it how you want it. It's not right. Disassemble it. Do it again. Alright. Ran 2 nails in it so it don't go nowhere. Just for good measures again. Don't really need to because it's in there now. I use this little wire brush to get all the hairs off. Okay, what you want something here? Like a rock chimney maybe? Alright, we'll build a rock chimney. You think so? No, I think that'd be kind of stupid. I was going to put some bars right here. You know? Yeah, maybe I'll still do some bars. Let's see. We need a branch. We need to go get a branch. So, we'll go get a branch, and we'll come back. Peace out.